Hi, my name is Engineer Abdulmajid Adewale Sanusi, a civil engineer who has done a lot of road designs. I've done a lot of road designs ranging from design of federal roads, up straight roads, even street roads, up to even road network designs within estates. Currently, I'm a project manager with a real estate firm here in Abuja, Nigeria, where we are constructing road road networks comprising 22 roads. 22 roads networked. I did the design. I did the drainage design. I did the design of the road. Right now, I'm a project manager on the construction of that project. So this video is a video to train us on how to do road design. We're going to start from points. The survey data, survey points. We're going to start from it. We're going to see how we are going to work with the survey data, how we're going to sort it out, how we're going to group it, then how we're going to make use of it to define our alignment. That's another topic. We're going to see how to do the alignments. What is alignment? We're talking about the alignment to explain alignment to ourselves. We're telling us what it means. We're going to see how to do it, how to make it look okay, how to work on the labels. Then from there, we're going to talk about the building the surface. Then after surface, we're talking about the profile. Then from there, we talk about sheet manager. Sheet manager, this is where we talk about how to make our drawing be in printable sizes. This is what will come in the preliminary, in the basic. After the basic, we will move to advanced. Example of road design is this. This is what you see here. We have the plan. This is the plan, or this is the alignment. This is the alignment showing the culverts on the drawing. And then also, this is the profile. And the way it is now, it's in a sheet format that it's printable. So this is what we're going to be doing. So I want you to pay attention. Watch these videos, understand every bit of it, follow it the way we have done it, the way it is. Then I'm assuring you that by the time you finish watching all these videos that will be coming in this series, you will be able to handle road design. It's now left for you to use it to understand the standards in your area and apply it in your design. So thank you very much for listening. And I want you to do one thing for me, please. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that immediately we drop the videos, because we'll be dropping the videos one after the other. So immediately we drop the video, you get the notification. And also, please, this knowledge needs to spread. You can help us share it to people who also want to know how to do road design. I'm assuring you, by the time you finish watching these videos, one after the other, you will be able to handle road design. Thank you very much, and I wish you the best as you watch these videos. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.